Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you another Sanrenmu knife, and we'll be talking about the Sanrenmu 7095 SUC, yes, SUC GVT4. So these names are really long, but this is what you have. So obviously your nice standard Sanrenmu box. This time we will get also a little bit of literature. So this pamphlet will give you just your standard informations. Yeah, this is sharp blade and a few specifications here, and the features there. We'll be talking about them in a second. So firstly, I need to tell you, like always, this knife is a original design from the makers or designers at Sanrenmu. So this is not a borrowed or copied or stolen design. As you can see, here is the designer, Windrunner, and this knife falls in the category of your slip joints. Yes, this is not a backlog. These are the features that the knife has. I will show you them in a minute. But let's talk about the knife. So probably the main focus of this knife is to have a little multi-tool knife with you and not break any kinds of laws that you might have in some European countries where there is prohibited to carry a locking knife or a one-handed opening knife, these kind of things. So different states have different jurisdictions, different laws about the knife that you can carry in the public. I know for a fact that few strict laws have or are implemented in the United Kingdom and also in Germany, where you cannot carry certain locking knives. But this one will be really nice to check out for those countries. So therefore, Sanrenmu is making them probably to be available on those markets. If you are living in the US or like me in Slovakia, you don't need to concern yourself with any kind of slip joints or these kind of necessary limitations. So let's talk about the knife. So this knife was available in different color variants. So this is the Apricot. You have also a camo version and also a Claret, they did call it. It was a burgundy reddish styled. Okay, so let's open the knife. If you are concerned that this knife will close on you, it will not, because this is not a slip joint. Okay, let's say this is not a traditional slip joint, because with a traditional slip joint you have a back spring that will help you with closing and also keep the knife open. What the folks at Sanrenmu did on some also older designs, they used a two-part or two-side detent ball spring. So the detent ball will engage on the holes on the both sides. So it will give you a sturdiness, but if you push really hard on the knife, it will close. But if you want to close it securely, then just use this motion here and then close with your finger. You can open it with one hand, but I will probably destroy my gloves. So therefore I will not. So, double detent, like I mentioned. The blade has a glass breaker function, so this part here. Also, you have two additional items or tools. One is the belt cutter with a screwdriver. These are non-locking, of course. And the second one is your flathead screwdriver with a bottle opener. So this knife would be probably good to have maybe somewhere in your car that is at hand's length. So if you get yourself in some kind of accident, then you can grab it, open it, and get to safety. Okay, so the knife features a nice drop point blade, which is 6.6 centimeters or 2.6 inches and made out of 12C27. So this is a better steel than your standard 8CR13 MOE, of course. It will give you a better corrosion resistance. The handle length is 9.5 centimeters or 3.74 inches. The blade width, so this measurement here, is 2.1 centimeters or 0.83 inches. The blade thickness is 0.2 centimeters or 0.08 inches. And the handle thickness is 1.25 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The weight comes at 75 grams or 2.64 ounces. So really nice and lightweight. The pocket clip is a deep carry style pocket clip and also has only one mounting option. So no other options there. The price of the Sanrenmu 7095 is around $11. You can also get it cheaper, depends on the place and the current pricing structure. I will try to provide you a link where you can get it if you like this design. It has really nice ergonomics styled hand. A little bit jimping on the top, which is functional, but you should not push too much on the back spine of the blade, because keep in mind at all times this is a slip joint. So positive pressure only. So cutting down, not hitting the part of the blade. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.